Gen Gold versus the Gen Bold. That is how the broadcasters were touting this encounter between the Rajasthan Royals and the Chennai Super Kings that was played at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. The reason for that was these two men who you see on your screen at this point of time, Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Vaibhav Sooryavanshi. On one end, one of the boldest players in this year's Indian Premier League, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the 43-year-old uncapped player for the Chennai Super Kings. And on the other end, the 14-year-old sensational player in Vaibhav Sooryavanshi for the Rajasthan Royals. Both of them were up against each other, and that is exactly how the situation also ended up as. Mahendra Singh Dhoni on one end, who ended up playing a knock that had a strike rate of under 100. On the other end, Vaibhav Sooryavanshi yet again in this tournament showed that this youngster is really there to stay. A terrific knock, another 50 after 100 that he's gotten in this Indian Premier League today. He scored another 50, making sure that his team ends the campaign on a high, just like he ended his campaign with a half century. But what went after that game was something really heartwarming. As you can see on your screen, this is the visual that is really going viral on social media. You can see where 14-year-old Vaibhav Sooryavanshi seen touching the feet of his idol in that sense, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You can see Vaibhav Sooryavanshi taking the blessings of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I'd previously done an interview with the scouts of Rajasthan Royals where I'd asked them that what was the interaction like between Vaibhav Sooryavanshi and Mahendra Singh Dhoni the previous time both these teams came against each other, where we were informed. You can go and have a look at that interview as well. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni was really happy to meet Vaibhav Sooryavanshi. He said that now the Rajasthan Royals has the baby of cricket, and today you can see how much Vaibhav Sooryavanshi looks up to somebody like Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You've seen so many youngsters in the past take guidance or words of wisdom from the veteran Mahendra Singh Dhoni, but today what we saw was absolutely heartwarming and something that a lot of people will be looking forward to. Something that really will make a lot of people feel happy and also realize that how much does a 14-year-old Vaibhav Sooryavanshi look forward to meet Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Really good, heartwarming, happy visuals where Vaibhav Sooryavanshi was touching the feet of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. This is really going everywhere on social media. For now, that is all that I've got for you. I hope you're liking our coverage here on Sports Today of the Indian Premier League. If you haven't subscribed, do not forget to press the subscribe button. Like this video, share it with your friends, and press the bell icon so that as soon as we are live or there's any interesting content coming your way, you guys come to know first.